Hola guys, how are you? Good day to my subscribers over here on YouTube, out there at Facebook, and also on TikTok. Guys, in this vlog or episode, we will be doing a pack busting of a single pack of NBA Top Class. NBA Top Class is a cheap product out of Panini UK, but it's a beautiful product. Panini UK or Panini Italia. Ang Panini Italia and Panini UK's official distributor in the Philippines is actually the co-store or the collectible store, which is located all around the metro in a lot of malls. But I specifically went to their branch over at Green Hills because Green Hills is the hub where a lot of collectors actually interact every weekends, and there is a show there right now, a while back, for cards, right? And I bought some cards as well, which I will be showing off as well here in this vlog. But before that, please do follow me over at Instagram. That would be at timduncan21_card collector. And also please follow me over at Facebook. That would be Revy Mayuyu's Hobby Vlogs. I post reels there and also blogs, not vlogs but blogs. All right, so I write a lot of stuff there, not necessarily parallel with my YouTube videos. It's more of my love for the other hobbies that I have, but mostly it's also about NBA cards. All right, so there you go, and let's do this. Let's do the unpacking of sorts. Let's go. So here we go. But before that, before I open the pack, papakita lang ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha ko sa Green Hills, what I got from Green Hills during the event that they had there. Alright, this is a Galaxy Obsidian sticker auto of Harold Miner. This is the first card that I'll ever have of Harold Miner in a NBA uniform. This is Jose Alvarado from Recon. Yep, an RC auto, also a sticker auto. A Gabe Vincent Obsidian Onyx RC auto as well. And a Jaden Hardy from Flux autograph, auto RC as well. So yan ang mga kinukolekta natin, usually RC autos. This is just about, I spent about $40 from these for these cards, right? Medyo I don't have enough budget for more cards. So ito yung top class. Nakikita nyo dyan na may autographs kasi meron, but they are very hard to get. Nakalagay dyan 475 packs. So that would mean one autograph per 475 cards. So that is the odds for an autograph. So ito yung mga version, ito yung mga inserts, and I think there are different kinds of foils as well, which I don't know. 135 base cards, as you could see. Yan, there you go. So ito yung top class. So let's open this up. All right, so first, first is a Luka Doncic base card, a Masterclass Jeff Green. I think this is red. I'm not sure if that's the base version. A winner Fred VanVleet. O nga pala, ito yung likod ng cards. Maganda rin, no? If you could look at it. They look nice. Yung Jokic, yan ang likod. That's the back of the card. Alright. Rainbow Master Trae Young. Supersonic Ja Morant. These cards are very beautiful actually. Look at that shine. For $4 or 200 pesos, I think I'll be buying more soon. Michael Porter Jr., SGA, and then Fernie Simons. Meron pa siyang parang, I don't know what is this, Top Class. This is the logo. I think if you could see that, if you could see the reflection over. There you go. So there, that's the, these are the cards that I was able to pull. Okay lang, that nothing spectacular. I'm not sure if I made my money back, but maybe I could sell this for 50 pesos. I could sell this for $1 or so, or this one I could sell for $2 now. So I think I made my money back in a way. It's nice to have products like these in the shelves, because a lot of Panini products nowadays are kind of expensive, alright? So medyo hindi rin okay for kids. This is a kid-friendly product. As I mentioned, this is for 200 pesos over at the co-store. And also, meron silang jumbo, 600 pesos ang SRP nun. And also a blaster box. I don't know how much is it, kasi parang medyo limited. Again, co-store. Ito yung official na distributor for top class cards, or Panini UK or Panini Italia. As I've mentioned, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but meron tong soccer version, itong top class. This is the NBA version. So for 2022-23, 23-24. So ito yung mga branches nila: Green Hills, Michokoshi, Sukat, SM Cebu, Ayala Malls Vertis, Santa Mesa, SM Santa Mesa, Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf. Marami pa silang branches, hindi lang ito. So you could actually check them out over at Instagram. They do have an Instagram account. Tingnan nyo na lang doon, the Collectible Store again. Alright, so I guess dito na lang kayo bumili ng mga ganito rather than from resellers, kasi mahal sa kanila compared to the Collectible Stores SRP. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Maikli lang yung video. I hope you liked it, and God bless, and see you next time. Thank you.